Part 1. Remove the chip. Apply Yanhua paint remover to the top of the chip and the pins. After 30 seconds, you can see the protective paint start to peel off. Apply the paint remover to the pin area. After about 90 seconds, you can start cleaning the chip with cotton. Then clean the board with contact cleaner to avoid corrosion of the board by paint remover. This is the effect after paint removal and cleaning. Install the chip limit plate. Apply solder paste to the chip pins. Use temperature and airflow adjustable hot air gun to desolder chip. Use clamp to secure the chip limit plate. Adjust the height of the hot air gun 8 mm above the chip limit plate. Adjust the air volume to 8 gear. Adjust the preheating temperature to 250 degrees Celsius. Start the hot air gun. Keep the temperature at 250 degrees Celsius. Preheat for 90 seconds. In order to save your time, we use 8x speed mode here. After 90 seconds, raise the temperature to 420 degrees and heat for 25 seconds. At this point, use tweezers to hold one corner of the chip. When the chip is loose, clip up the chip. About 25 seconds, the chip is loose. Remove the air gun and clip up the chip. Clean the bottom and pins of the chip with Yanhua paint remover. Then clean the board with contact cleaner to avoid corrosion of the board by paint remover. There is the original plate solder on the pad. Please check whether there is short circuit between the plate.